In this video, you're going to build something truly amazing, your very own AI application using Python. We'll be creating a smart chatbot that actually talks back, powered by the OpenAI API, the same technology behind ChatGPT. Don't worry if you're new to coding, I'll guide you through every single step, nice and easy. By the end of this video, you won't just watch AI in action, you'll create it yourself. Let's jump right in and bring your AI project to life. First, open the OpenAI website and log in. I've added the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, we need to create a new secret key to connect our project with ChatGPT. Click on Create New Secret Key, give it any name you like, and hit Generate. Copy that key, we'll need it in just a moment. Now let's switch over to VS Code and open up our Python project. Create a new file called .inv and paste your key inside. This will store your API key securely so we don't expose it in our main code. Before we start coding, we need to install a few modules for our project. You can see the pip install commands on the screen. I've already done this earlier, so I'll skip it, but make sure to run them if you haven't. All right, time to start coding. Here we're importing everything we need: Streamlit to create our web interface, OpenAI to connect with ChatGPT, and .env to load our API key. We use load.env to make sure the key is loaded from the .env file, and then we set up the page settings, the title, the robot icon, and the welcome text at the top. After that, we add a simple chat input field. That's where the user will type messages. Let's run the app now and see what it looks like. Using the command you see on the screen, Streamlit will automatically start the web app. And look at that. We already have a basic page with a title and a chat box where users can type messages. Pretty cool, right? Now let's make it actually respond using ChatGPT. We start by creating a place to store our conversation history, so the chatbot remembers what has been said. We do that using Streamlit's session state. Then, every time the user sends a message, it's added to the conversation history and sent to the OpenAI API. While the AI is thinking, Streamlit shows a nice spinner with the text thinking, so the experience feels smooth. Once the API sends a reply, we display it on the screen, and then we loop through all the messages to show both the user and assistant messages in an organized chat format. And that's it. Our app is now talking to ChatGPT. Let's run it again to see the results. All right, let's give our chatbot a quick test. I'll type, "Hello, I want to learn Python." And there we go. The message is sent to the OpenAI API, and within a second, it comes back with a really nice response. It understands exactly what I'm saying and gives a clear, encouraging answer about how to start learning Python. If you've never used Streamlit before and want to learn it from scratch, I've created a full Streamlit beginner playlist. You'll find the link in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!